Alright, so I got the battery out. There's a bit of shit in there, so it's actually not too bad. I'm not sure about underneath it though. I'll come up from the other side in a minute, but give that a quick vacuum out and see what it looks like afterwards. Right, so oh, look at that. I got the grinding wheel in there as best I could. It's a really tight spot. You can see there's still some down here that I can't reach with the grinding wheel, but the actual plate that the battery sits on is not in as bad a condition as I thought. The grinder did go through just in a tiny little spot there, went all the way through the metal, but for the most part it's actually in pretty good condition. The part that I'm having trouble with is, I don't know if I can get down there. The steering box is in the way, but I probably do need to get down there and give it a better scrape off than I have. There's still a few little flaky bits there, but I want to try and tidy that up a bit more. Flip it up the right way, but yeah, this is the stuff I'm going to apply to it. It is, oh hang on, let me get out of the sun there. Quick rust converter and primer, and basically yeah, just put that on with a paintbrush and leave it to dry. I'll probably put a couple of coats of that on, and that will convert it. And then I just got the old What'll Kill Rust epoxy gloss enamel, which I'll put on over the top, and at the very least it should protect it for a short time anyway. If I do end up having to take the steering box out for anything, then it means I can get down in there. I also went up in the wheel arch and put the grinding wheel on here, but again pretty hard to get to, but still it's definitely not as bad as I thought it was going to be, so that's really good news. I actually thought it would have rusted all the way through by now, so I'll just keep attacking that, and I might see if I can find a smaller grinding wheel. Might have one here somewhere, and keep on going with that. But yeah, so far we're doing all right. Well, I've put one coat of rust kill on, and it appears to be doing what it's supposed to be doing. It's certainly not rust colour anymore, so it's sort of gone a purpley black. So we'll wait for that to dry and see what it looks like, and put another coat on.